The reasons why modular is so appealing to people and why it has been practiced overseas is number one, the convenience, something that can be done in the factory. So our traditional building times can go from 6 to 12 months to 18 months sometime, and we can do that in a fraction of the time. We had a bunch of people asking us for a pre-built option. There wasn't really anyone that provided that solution at the quality that these customers wanted.
We just didn't see the same quality, and we loved what we do in the residential industry where everything is like great quality, high end, and we sort of wanted to bring that through to modular, and we thought that that could make a difference in the industry. Our Keep team has over 20 years experience in building, and we are so happy to be moving into this modular space with our team and our trades.
We really believe that we have the team and the experience to be able to interpret your needs, whether it's big or small. We can see your vision and make that happen.